Hello traders, in this short video I will explain how I made over 60 points in profit using key levels and our trend and pullback toolkit. I have been trading for more than 15 years now and I have consistently focused on index, the German 40. So all the trades you see are executed on German 40. However, the strategy works on any market and time frame. Monday, 8th of August. The market opens with a huge impulse move, penetrating the round number 15,900 as if it never existed, and made another 50 points move to 15,950. The price made a strong reaction of 15,950 and a double top was formed. Now I really wanted to get in on the next pullback since we have a high probability that the price will retest the weekly open level, same as Friday's close. The market drops quite fast and we start to see a pullback back up to around 15,900, a round number, pay attention. At the same time we get the short signal in the trend and pullback toolkit, which confirms that this is a good setup. Round number plus signal, and we have previously seen a double top. I entered short. The blue line is my short entry from my live account. We can see that I anticipated the round number and entered at the daily open level, since I know that the price might respect that level as well. However, after my entry, the price made a slightly move up to 15,900, then dropped all the way down to the weekly open level. As the price went down, I took partial profits along the way. And I made over 60 points in profit from using this simple analysis. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and comment on the video, and join our free Discord to learn more. Have a great day.